Hey everybody, Lexi here with you today, bringing you a reaction video because I was looking at nail hacks and came across 5-minute crafts DIY. So, just by the thumbnail, I wanted to see what these hacks were because I cannot put into words what these are. I think we need to look into that. Polygel nails. These are normal. Thank God these are normal. Wait. I stand corrected. No! No! Why? What? No, no. Oh, God, no. Like, I mean, they're badly executed, but I mean, what? No. What? No. No! What is this? No! Why would you do that? Oh no, please tell me they're not gonna use the cucumber as a nail. Oh my god. I would... Oh my god, that's even worse! No, don't do that! First of all, don't kill your plant for that. I'm not saying you're gonna kill your plant. Why? No, why? Just use Scotch tape or something. I think the person needs to practice a little bit on their application, but... Oh, wait, that was on the toes? What are they doing? Why couldn't that be why couldn't they do that just on a normal nail? Like, why did they have to do that on a toe? Especially that they did like a stiletto. Why put stilettos on toes? Oh, wait. Because it rhymes. That was just... Did they put jam in it? Did they put jam? Why? Just why? Oh, that's the DIY. That's just why did you do that? You know? Like, I feel like some of these are like, oh, here are like decent tutorials, but let's execute them like we have never done nails in our whole life. No. No. Why? No. Oh. Okay. No. I know where that's going. No. Do not. No. Like, why would you do that? Like, these are obviously just for entertainment purposes. I kind of wish that they would put a disclaimer being like, please don't be this stupid. This is just to get a reaction out of you. Don't try this at home. No, don't. That is super dangerous. Guys, why is there no disclaimer? How do they... Like, they do the marbling well, but it comes out looking so bad. Like, do they cut and just purposely, like, screw it up? For sure. Oh my god. I mean, they're definitely not doing those hacks because of their talent. I don't mean to shame. It's not shaming, but it's like, I feel like they are purposely doing a really, really bad job. Feels a little bit exaggerated on just how it comes out. Like, no. Why would you even put the band-aid there? Like, why don't you just put the polygel over it? That's it. Just put the polygel, no band-aid. Okay, that is glue, okay? That is glue. That does not work like that. First of all, you're not supposed to take off the skin off your foot if ever there was peeling. Okay, we're just skipping the feet stuff. I don't want feet stuff. I can't. What is that? Are you really gonna use all of that just to cut out nails? Why? Why not just get nail tips? I'm pretty sure you can go to a dollar store or anything. I mean, tips are just the cheapest thing ever. If your nail breaks, put on a fake nail. That, or just leave it short. One of the two, okay? Don't put random stuff on it. Don't do that. First of all, why waste a toothbrush for that? That just looks awful. And if it's used, ew, no, no, that doesn't look good. That's just, no, just buy nail tips, guys. It's so cheap. It's so much cheaper than a toothbrush. I don't understand this. Oh no. When it comes to that point that you have gel, that you have a UV light, that you even have I was gonna say that you even have a nail drill and everything, and you're doing that, but then they go and literally dip their ramen in. It looked like grape juice. What? Why? Yeah, that girl struggle. Don't do that. You'll break your credit card. Don't do that. Right? I don't have nails right now, and this can is already open. But like this, guys. See? Like this. I swear to God, it works. You just like that. Just use it the edge of your finger. I promise you, it works. Don't break your credit cards over that, please. Why? Like, okay, why even? Ew. This is so wrong in so many ways. First of all, what are you gonna do once the tea is done? Okay, you're just gonna let it rot in your nail? No, you're gonna probably have to break it and take it off. Why would you go through an hour of making a nail, okay, to have a cup of tea? Why? Like, just why? Is this just kind of like, look how stupid we are? This is what this video is. I mean, that's inventive, but that bathing suit. No. To be quite fair, it would be cool if some company made like little mini LEDs or something like that with a battery that you can put like under a nail or something, but have not seen that. They're not gonna do the hand thing again. Oh, the fork thing. Oh my God. Why would you want to eat with your fingernails? And just do a normal stiletto, and that stiletto just, you know, you don't need to make a fork out of it. Just like, come on. And I mean, let's be honest, girls, all of you who have long nails, we all love to grab the chip with our nails. It's like eating with chopsticks. You know, I hope that's a jellyfish. What was that? Is that an ear? Why are you making an ear? Please don't tell me you're gonna put that on a nail. Again with the food. Why use food? Why always, like, and why? This doesn't even look good. Why? Okay. From what I've seen so far from this channel, let's try to achieve something that a 10-year-old can replicate. Like, it's like they purposely do it on purpose, like, to do it badly, you know? Am I wrong? Like, I just feel like they're just a tad over-exaggerated of just how bad they are. I see where they're going with that, but that... You know, it's like, at that point, you could literally, like, take a kid and just be like, here you go, have fun on my nails. Like, I really feel like they are, I don't remember what it's called. I think it's like 20 nails or something like that. Oh no, my God, that hack again. What is that? Like, I don't even understand what's the point of it. Okay, but anyways, as I was saying, there's a channel that was popular on Instagram, on YouTube, like pretty much everywhere you would see, especially Facebook. And that's what they would do. They would have it like one, you know, in the finger, and then they would just do random, like, easy, simple kind of nail art. That kind of reminds me of that. But they actually did it nicely or properly, you know? Like, I remember as a nail tech, I used to look at these all the time and just kind of be like, oh yeah, hey, that's simple, that's easy, that's just something that you can do real quick. Like, I just feel like they're taking that idea, trying to make it like really bad for some. I'm guessing like that's the shock factor. Like, I guess that maybe they're trying to get people to be like, oh my God, look how bad they are doing nails. And also look how dirty all of the nails are. What did you do? Did you roll it on the freaking carpet before putting it on the table? Why are they so dirty? If you have polygel, why would you need to put brush freaking hairs to extend a nail. I know some people will probably argue with me and say, oh yeah, but these are like so that you have like something easy to do like at home, you know, like with stuff that you have around the house. Right. So you're trying to tell me that you have magnets around the house, that you have UV lamp around the house, that you have an electric drill around the house, that you have polygel, that you have cuticle nippers, you have all of these cat eye polishes, but you do not have any forms or any type of fake nail around the house. It just does not make sense. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's a thing, just the way they're doing it, but it's a thing. that was clearly not the results of what they just did. This ramen thing, why? What is with the food? Okay, this is just repeating over and over again. I think I've seen enough. That's what it is. They're clickbaiting. They are putting in some kind of real designs in there and kind of like trying to make you doubt their seriousness. But I think that the whole point of this is just you cringing on it. And if not, then they're taking advantage of people who just don't know any better. And it's just kind of like, I'm just kind of scared, because it's like either you're gonna get people who are incredibly naive, believing that these are real hacks, trying these hacks, which to me could be really dangerous. Potentially some of these were dangerous, or kids that are very young and don't know any better. But I mean, nonetheless, some of these hacks are for sure meant for us to facepalm and be like, what is this? There's no way this is a thing. There's no way anybody's actually trying any of these, right? Please tell me no. I'm just hoping so much that, I mean, okay, to be fair, let's be fair. Some of them were recreation. Let me find that channel. 20 nails. I'm not sure if they're the original one, but I was pretty sure that was a thing. This is what they're making, well, not making fun of. They're not intended to make fun of them, but they're trying to recreate what they're doing, but very badly. This is literally the same types of hacks, the same kind of sped up thing, but I mean, at least they're doing it properly. And I mean, these are easy hacks. Even if you have no experience, you can pretty much pull some of these off. Like they're very well explained and everything. I know that some of you would probably say like, yes, go ahead, try some of these out. No, I am not cutting up my plants and putting it on my fingernail, nor am I putting spray paint anywhere near my hands, nor am I taking a toothbrush and putting it on my freaking feet. We gotta find actual real hacks to do, not this. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If so, don't forget to leave a like, and of course subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And I guess I will see you all in the next video. Bye. Okay, my thing is annoying. I'm doing laundry at the same time as this, and my washing machine is so annoying because once it's done, it's washed, it beeps and beeps and beeps and does not stop. It's just so annoying. Yes, little rant over.